Hey guys, I'm Swann with Forest River's Salem division. I'm excited to give you the first look at the new Salem 31KQBTS and show you why we call this the ultimate bunkhouse. I think we can all agree that camping should be fun and easy and relaxing. So at Salem, we made the 31KQBTS the easiest coach on the market to set up. Starting with the way you hook and unhook from your tow vehicle. We have a power tongue jack on this coach. At the push of a button, you can raise and lower this coach off of your tow vehicle. It also comes with a handy light so that if you're hooking up or unhooking in the dark or in low light conditions, we can illuminate the back of your tow vehicle. Easy as can be. The next thing we did, moving around the side of the coach, is we added power stabilizer jacks to your coach, to the 31KQBTS. The push of a button, you can extend and retract your stabilizers and not have to get down underneath the RV and crank those to a stabilizer RV. Push of a button, super easy, easiest coach on the market to set up. Lastly, on the power package that comes on the 31KQBTS is the power awning with LED light strip. We no longer have to learn how to put an awning in or out because Salem has taken all of the work out and made it super easy for you. So at the push of a button, we can extend and retract the awning and turn this light on and off and illuminate your campsite. Super easy, anybody can do it, super convenient. It'll make your camping trip a lot more fun. The next feature I'd like to point out on the new Salem 31KQBTS is our new Morryde Step Above Triple Step. This is the easiest set of steps to set up on the market. They're the most stable, and we put them on our Salem 31KQBTS so you're relaxing instead of working while you're camping. First thing I want to show you is that the steps sit on the ground when they're fully deployed. They're nice and stable, and your weight when you go in and out of the coach doesn't rock the coach left to right. If your steps are not touching the ground, your coach is going to tend to rock left to right when your kids or your family go in and out of the coach. These steps are nice and stable, they're resting on the ground, and we also give you this nice big entry handle to grab onto when you go in and out of the coach. These steps are really neat in the fact that they easily deploy and stow away. That simple. They don't weigh much at all. They're super easy to handle. When you want to put them out and you need to adjust the legs to match your campsite, you simply push this button and the legs extend and retract accordingly. Very simple, easy to do. Oh, I'm on an uneven campsite. Look, I just hit the button, I'm extended. Now my coach is set up. When I'm ready to go home for the day, ready to pack up and go back home, we just simply fold it back up, stow it away, and close the door. Easy as that. One of the most exciting features on the 31KQBTS is this amazing outdoor kitchen. Now the 31KQBTS is the ultimate bunkhouse. So when you go camping, you want to be outside, you want to enjoy the outdoors, you want to have your family out here, you want to be grilling out here, you want to be relaxing with your family. So on the 31KQBTS, we've put this amazing outdoor kitchen in here. It is equipped with a sink that is plumbed to the coach's holding tanks. It has hot and cold water. There is a place out here to hook up to a 40-inch TV. There's these awesome little stow and go bins to put all your personal items, your grilling tools, maybe some paper plates, maybe some utensils, things like that. Also, we've got a mini fridge out here that can store all the drinks for the kids and drinks for mom and dad. Just everything you need is out here. In addition to that, we've added this awesome little barbecue grill here that swings off of the bumper and it comes right in here under your outdoor kitchen. So if you're standing under this kitchen door, which also makes an awning, keeps you out of the sun, keeps you out of the rain, you've got a workspace to prep food, you've got a sink with hot and cold water, you've got a refrigerator to store your beverages and food, and then you can swing right over here and grill up what you need. The propane for this connects right to the coach, so you don't have to bring anything additional along. It's super easy. You open the awning, swing the grill around, hook it up, and you're ready to go. The next feature I'd like to point out in the 31KQBTS is the Versa Lounge. This is a feature that we developed at Salem, and it takes your camping experience to the next level. We have the most versatile furniture in the industry at Salem. So right now, the way you're looking at our furniture, it is in traditional dinette, U-shaped dinette, which is amazing, and sofa mode. Our furniture is the only furniture in the industry that allows you to turn the furniture into a few different configurations. So real quick, if you were eating dinner here, you have plenty of room for everybody to sit around the table and a few people to sit on the sofa. But quickly and easily, we've made it where you can change this furniture if you're not going to be sitting around the table and eating. We can change this into a chase lounge very simply and easily. And now you've got furniture that is functional, good looking, next level, and you're able to just chill out on it and relax, right? So you can hang out this way, you can hang out that way, watch TV, check out the fireplace, whatever you want to do, and you still have 2/3 of your dinette remaining. The next configuration for the Versa Lounge furniture is to, let's say you have a guest that wants to sleep out here. Now we've got the ability to sleep someone in a longer, larger area that is more comfortable for them. Gives them a lot more space to stretch out than a traditional jackknife sofa would without this extra area. It easily converts right back to its chase lounge mode. The next amazing feature of the Versa Lounge in the 31KQBTS is its ability to quickly and easily turn into this full-length, full slide extra sleeping area. So this is about 12 feet long. You could sleep as many people that'll fit in here, quite frankly. A lot of customers I've seen have put pillows on this end and pillows here and slept 4 children in this area really easily. It's the only furniture on the market that allows you to do that. Welcome to the ultimate bunkhouse. This is the 31KQBTS, and this room is why we call this the ultimate bunkhouse. This room features 2 slide outs. It also has 4 individual sleeping spaces. So over here, we have a top bunk and a lower bunk that flips out. We make it flip up and down so that if your kids don't want to use the bunk, it can increase their floor space. With that bunk flipped up, you're gonna have about an 8x8 space back here in the bunk room. Not only that, we added to it this year for 2021. You're gonna see it for the first time. The Salem 31KQBTS comes with the new Versa Queen right over here. So on this side, you've got a bunk on the top and the Versa Queen below. So right now, the way it's set up, we've got the bunk down. And you can use this however you like, whether you want, it's the most accommodating furniture in the industry, whether you want it to be a bunk, like it is, a top bunk. We can easily, but if you don't, we can easily flip that out of the way. And now we've got a sofa. So the kids can hang out in this room and they don't just have to use the bunk room to go to sleep. So right now we've got a nice sofa with the bunk flipped up. Quickly and easily, we can transform this furniture into another bunk. Really easily. It's time to go to bed, kids. Shut the lights out, stop making noise. Time to rest up for tomorrow to have another fun day. We're gonna flip this bunk down and we're gonna have 4 individual sleeping areas and leave the majority of our floor space. Now, if you're like me and you have a tall son, or if you want to camp with other adults, we added the Versa Queen feature this year, which has just transformed a lot of floor plans in the Salem lineup, but particularly this one. So if you have a larger guest that doesn't really fit on a bunk or it's not comfortable for them, quickly and easily, our lower furniture there will convert to a second queen mattress. This coach has a master queen in the front, and now it has the ability to have a second queen in the back. It's an amazing feature. Your family's gonna love it. Another amazing feature in the 31KQBTS is the 12-volt, 11 cubic foot frost-free refrigerator. This is the largest refrigerator available in this class of RV. This allows you to take normal sized food items along with you camping. This is 78% larger than the typical 6 cubic foot refrigerator found on the market. This refrigerator looks awesome. It gets cold down to an optimal temperature in about an hour. And really the big feature is it saves you trips to the grocery store while you're out on a trip. You can bring more food, you can bring real size food, and makes it a lot more convenient. If this is the ultimate bunkhouse, chances are you're going to have a lot of guests along and you're really going to appreciate this refrigerator. Salem 31KQBTS is just loaded with features. One of those features you're really going to appreciate is the 30-inch built-in electric fireplace. This is going to be a great feature for you and your family to enjoy for a few reasons. You might just want to turn the lights on and set the mood for movie night. Or you might be camping and it's a little cool outside. This is not only a great looking feature, but it's something that is a safe source of supplemental heat. So if it's a cool night or a cool morning and you just need to take the chill off in the camper, you can turn this on. It's 5,100 BTUs, so it's going to take a lot of the chill out of the air and reduce the need to use your furnace at all. And it looks great, so look for the built-in fireplace in the 31KQBTS. The 31KQBTS, like we said, is the ultimate bunkhouse. So with that in mind, we've loaded the 31KQBTS with storage so you have room for all of the belongings of all of your guests all of the time. We've added storage wherever we can add it in this model. These stow and go bins are great, and this is something we came up with for 2021. We added 20.3 cubic feet of storage in the Salem 31KQBTS. There's 3 of these totes underneath the sofa. There's 1 under each side of the dinette. And there's more in the bedroom as well. These stow and go totes are stackable. They are dry food storage approved, and it really keeps your camper nice and clean and neat and organized. Everything has a tote. You don't have items unorganized and jumbled around when you get where you're going. Everything will be where you put it when you use the stow and go totes. More stow and go containers are found inside the bedroom. So right now we've got the master bedroom flipped up in the 31KQBTS. It's got 2 shocks to flip it up, and then we've got these fabric totes in here. These are a great place to store towels or socks or t-shirts or whatever you may have. They fit right here in the 31KQBTS, and again gives you added storage and a nice, neat way to keep your camper clean and organized. I'm Aaron, and that was your first look at the Salem 31KQBTS.